Hi, welcome to mycutetoons with Jar. Today we're going to draw Melody from Dragon Rescue Riders. Grab your marker and follow along with me. Firstly, I'm going to draw an hourglass shape. Going to make it nice and round at the bottom, and I'm going to keep it narrow. And right next to it, this is going to be very easy and a quick tutorial. We're going to bring it all the way down to there, and this one I'll extend as well to there. That's going to be the legs. Then from here, I'm just going to draw two legs going down with the little feet as well. And this, it looks like socks on this leg as well. Then thereafter, I'm just going to draw the hind legs. Do the same thing with the little foot right there. We're going to do the same on this side as well, with socks as well. Great. Now we can go back to the head. I'm going to draw a little V shape for the head. And then from the V, I'm going to draw two little nostrils sticking out, and now I'm going to draw the eyes. So I'm going to connect that to the top of the jaw. Then we're just going to draw the eye. Here's one eye, here's the other eye, and we're going to make cat-like pupils with light reflections, and let's color the pupils in. Here's one, and there's the other pupil. Then on top we're going to draw the eyebrows, and we're just going to connect them. And on this side you're going to do exactly the same. And then we're just going to draw the top of the head. Now from there we're going to draw the feathers on Melody. So there's the feathers for her head. And then you can just continue with the feathers. You can just draw feathers all the way around. There we go. And maybe just do the side of her head like this. And let's do the same thing on this side as well. So we're just going to draw the feathers. And now we're going to draw little horizontal lines on her chest and neck area. There we go. Now we can draw Melodies Wings. So I'm going to start from here, and I'm just going to draw a curvy line going all the way to the side. In the bottom, I'm going to do the same thing, and then I'm just going to draw this lines out. And now I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to start there, and I'm going to draw a nice wing out. I'm going to bring it back in. Here we go, there's the other wing. And then again we'll draw the same little wing components, whatever we want to call it, these little bones sticking out. And then from there we draw the wing, and I bring it back to the body. And on this side we'll do the same thing. We're just going to draw the wing and take it right there. And now we can make a little few inserts in the wing. And let's do the same on this side as well. And now for a little tail for Melody. Just going to draw the hind legs there, and we can finish up with it. There we go. Wonderful, and that was very easy. There's Melody. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors. Melody will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.